This is a tutorial how to get timecode into Unreal Engine 5 with the Decklink. In this case I'm using a Decklink 4K Pro. So yeah, let's get started. Here I have a blank project and I'm using a Decklink, so I'm just going to install some plugins. So first off, we're going to install Blackmagic Media Player, and we're also going to install the virtual production utilities. And then we restart the engine. So with these plugins installed, we can actually have a separate window. We go to Window, Virtual Production, Timecode Provider, and we can now put this on the side to see what timecode we're actually having. At this point, no timecode is set, so we still need to set that. And to do that, we're gonna add a blueprint class. We're gonna search for Blackmagic, and then we do Blackmagic Timecode Provider, Blackmagic STI Input, and we create that. Let's call this Decklink 4K Timecode Input. Double click it. Here we have to set which port, in this case it's only one, the timecode is coming in. So let's do Decklink 4K Pro, single link, let's put this to auto. We apply it, and we compile, and we're gonna save. Then we have to go to Edit Project Settings, and we scroll down to General Settings, and here we put in Timecode Provider, and we're going to put in the Decklink 4K Timecode Input that we just created. So now we have set the timecode. You can see its green, so it is detecting the Decklink input, but we don't see anything. So the only thing we have to do is click and reinitialize, and there we have it. Sometimes you have to restart the engine. It also says in the documentation of Unreal Engine, but most of the times you don't have to. So now if we want to use this in our level, we can actually access this timecode that is now set as the default for the engine into one of our blueprints. So let's create a blueprint, actor. We're going to call this print timecode. I'm going to double click it. Let's go to event graph. And the only thing we have to do is get timecode. And this will have the same as we're seeing here. And let's make this a string, timecode to string, and let's print that string. So now let's put this on event tick, compile, save, and close the actor, and we're just gonna drag it into our level. Now if we hit play, we will see that this timecode is the same as that we have there, so that you can actually use it for triggering something on a video or whatever you're using timecode for. And that's it. That's a quick tutorial on how to get timecode on a Decklink into Unreal Engine 5.